Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of our 32 booster pack kit Icarus AR cards unpacking. So last video I showed you my cards I got with the game and I opened 2 booster packs, so if you've missed that video you can still watch it, of course. And in this video I'm trying to open like 5. I'm going to make videos opening 5 each time and see what I get. So without further ado, let's move on. So, and I wanted to give a shout out to Tim from latest3dsgames.com. He has an awesome channel about pretty much every 3DS game that comes out. It's that through his video I found out that you could order these off the Nintendo website if you have enough stars, that is, and I had a whole bunch saved up and I never got anything useful with it, so I thought I might as well order this. Something went wrong with the camera there. So second pack, no, third pack. We got the Royal Blade. We got Aurum Urgle, a Minos, Zorum, Twin Bellows of Ferocious, which I like because I didn't get it with my starter pack, and a Dodge token. Alright, next pack. Alright. Wow, we got a gold wing on top of that. Must mean it's extremely rare or something, I guess. That first town, so that's like the first level of the game. We got a cellular gyrazer or whatever. Wow. We got a Aurum Brain Fortress. If you never played the game and you intend to play it, these could be spoilers, but a Hugworm, a Palutena, which didn't come with my starter pack, so I really like this card that I got it, and the Aurum Orbiters. Awesome. Alright, third pack. So these come from Panini in Italy. I'm not sure if Americans also get them from Italy, and I'm assuming not, because the American cards also display the faction that the cards belong to, which misses on this card, which is kind of weird, but hey, alright, it's okay. Alright, we got a cellular Handora, Tortalunk, we got a Maganta, Fairy Orbiters, cool, Darkness Bow, alright, and the Tempura Wizard, which again has a silver wing, so I guess it's sorta rare. Alright, last pack before my battery dies out. I like to keep them as neat as possible. Alright. Biota. Again, upside down card. We got a Mick. A power up drop. move, which I already had, so that's my second double, I guess. Spike ball, looks familiar as well, and Aquarius blade, nice. I haven't unlocked that in the game either, so that's new. Alright guys, thanks for watching.